Nice to see you again through this video, and for all our videos you can go through our website www.harilogisticsacademy.com, and your suggestions and comments are welcomed, and please send it to the above email ID logisticshari2020@gmail.com. So once again, it is nice to see you again through this video. Now let us go through the video. The transportation sector, till now we have seen the following topics. One is how our body is an example of logistics. Two, how in ancient days logistics would have functioned. Example is Mahabharata. Three, in the present world, how logistics will be function, and example of pandemic situation and aggression by neighbors. And fourth was a concept and definition of supply chain management, logistics. 5, we have seen types of logistics companies, and 6, we have seen various modes of transportation. And now let us look into the challenges to be faced in logistics and opportunities that is available. In this video we see the challenges, and challenges are many. Example, in pandemic situation, the invention of vaccination is nearing completion, but there are many challenges to reach them to a common man. Just one of the challenge is how to maintain the temperature required to keep the vaccination alive. Some companies say it should be maintained at -2 degrees, and some companies says -20 degrees, and some says it has to be maintained at -70 degrees. But balancing based on the company suggestions, the logistics infrastructure have to be provided. We have to create infrastructure for all kinds. Transportation for in all types of temperatures. Till it is vaccinated in a human body, the temperature has to be maintained as per above required level. Think of the challenges on this as an example. The sector is full of potential, but we are still lacking optimal utilization of resources. However, we can see a rapid hike in demand and awareness of the sector this year. We can see a lot of startups entering the sector, offering services like never before. With the advancements in technologies, we can surely say that there is a lot more to come. Logistics plays a vital role in strengthening the economy. It is the lifeline for every other commercial sector. The sector is evolving at a fast pace, and infrastructure and technologies are paving new paths towards growth. India has jumped 19th place in the World Bank's Logistics Performance Index from 54th place to 35th. That means they jumped 19 places. This was announced by the World Bank Group, the recent launch of its report. With a huge jump of 19 places, India has crossed many countries like New Zealand, Thailand, Saudi Arabia, Iceland, Latvia, and Indonesia, who were ahead of it in the index. India is facing several challenges amid countrywide lockdown. Many industries have been severely affected. One of them is logistics and supply chain management. Shortage of labor, cargo capacity challenges. The slowdown in manufacturing, order delays, stock of shipments, as well as demand and supply shocks have affected the logistics segment to the core. The manufacturing halt has reduced demand for logistics services, which has brought down the pressure on price across warehousing, freight, and logistics. Due to lockdown in surrounding countries, minimal export-import movements during this time have amplified the crisis in the logistics space. Restrictions on air travel and international flights globally have contributed to the slowdown in the movement of goods and brought first and last mile transportation and intermodal movement of goods to a standstill. Reduction in the capacity of vessels and shortages in the equipment to deliver the goods related to disruptions has had a major impact on the intra-Asia trade lanes. A rapid and sudden drop in freight volumes has prompted major carriers to report service cancellations and delays, and ultimately empty sailings to and from India. Every segment somehow attached in running supply chains would need to go through severe compliances as a worker, product, transport, and facility sanitation protocols would be the new priorities. The global logistics industry is estimated to be worth 300 billion US dollars, though most of the large service providers are headquartered in Europe. The biggest market is the US, which captures about 1/3 of the world market. The global logistics industry is characterized by high costs of operations, low margins, shortage of talent, infrastructural bottlenecks, demand from clients for investing in technology and providing one-stop solutions to all their needs, and consolidation through acquisitions, mergers, and alliances. The logistics industry in India is evolving rapidly, and it is the interplay of infrastructure, technology, and new types of service providers that will define whether the industry is able to help its customers reduce their logistic costs and provide effective services which are also growing. Changing government policies on taxation and regulation of service providers are going to play an important role in this process. Coordination across various government agencies requires approval from multiple ministries and is a roadblock for the multimodal transport in India. At the firm level, the logistics focus is moving towards reducing cycle times in order to add value to their customers. Consequently, better tools and strategies are being sought by firms in order to enhance their decision making. Challenges that face the industry. First is a rail and train mode. One, important rail networks are oversaturated. Two, rail freight tariffs are high. Three, transit times are long and uncertain. Four, rail terminal quality is poor. 5. Less flexibility in carrying different types of products. 6. Railway garage not easy for industry which cannot provide full train loads. Then road network. One is poor road quality. Second is expressway network will take time to develop. 3. High level of fragmentation of the trucking industry. 4. Multiple checkpoints or toll gates. 5. Availability of skilled drivers. Issues of port sector, that is for waterways. 1. High turnaround times. 2. Inadequate depth at ports. 3. Coastal shipping has not taken off well in India. And the next is storage infrastructures and related challenges. One is state of ICDs and CFS is poor. 2. State of warehousing to be improved. 3. State of cold storage is poor. 4. Multi-modal logistics parks yet to take off. Technology and skills related challenges. The logistics industry is also hampered by low rates of technology adoption and poor skill levels. The various challenges faced by the logistics industry led to high logistics costs incurred by the Indian economy. This is despite the fact that cost of labor, one of the most significant contributors to logistics costs, is in developed countries is significantly cheaper in India. In conclusion, one of the challenges facing Indian manufacturing is the lack of technical expertise and managerial know-how. High project costs have been one of the major pain points for Indian manufacturers, especially in various verticals like engineering, production and construction, logistics and infrastructure development. Things like the plethora of players involved in logistics combined with the lack of poor collaboration incentives. Challenges in short. Innovations and development in the cold supply chain, specialized warehouses and distribution, lack of trained manpower or skilled workforce, cost competitiveness, statutory or regulatory not ease of doing business, competitiveness in an international market, adoption to global best practices, specialized skills requirement, example of data analytics, data management, project mapping, warehouse management, systems, process conversion, skilled drivers. The side had given certain cost elements which contributes for the cost of a freight. One is the transportation is 35%. Inventories 25%. Losses 14%. Packaging 11%. Handling and warehousing 9%. Customer shopping 6%. So in the challenges sector, what we can see in the other tabular column, cutting transportation costs, business process improvements, improved customer rates, thinking, customer services, improved customer services, supply chain validity, sorry, supply chain viability. Managing inventory, recruiting and training labor, reducing labor costs, expanding or selling to new markets. Regulatory, security and other challenges. Expecting or focusing from new markets. Vendor management, technology, strategy and implementations. Thank you, friends. As I said, your comments are welcome on the above email ID logisticshari2020@gmail.com. Hope you will benefit from this video. We look forward for more interactions in future. Thank you once again, and subscribe to get your free notifications on new videos which we will be launching. Thank you.